Hey, Big Tom's van. I'll show you this old stuff here. You know, tie rod ends and drag link. And the tie rod end. Been adjusted on. See them pipe wrench marks. Anyway, I got a whole new piece already put together. You just adjust the ends. Put it on there. You just need a pile of tools, a good hammer. Probably not too much knowledge, although I do this for a living. You know, sometimes it scratches my head. So you're gonna get dirty. Takes about an hour. The whole setup Moog is about it's $300 or so on Amazon. Might be cheaper. Shop around. Just look up whatever you got. You got a Chevrolet, you got a Ford, like a Ford E250 Moog, all in one suspension, and it'll come up. It'll show you the whole setup, so you don't have to put all the pieces together. You used to have to take tie rod ends off and put them on the old bar, count the threads, all that junk. You don't have to do that anymore. All comes in one piece. Put it on, tighten everything up, put the cotter pins in, grease it, make sure your wheels are straight first. You don't even have to jack it up. You just need a big hammer because it's been in there a while. Alright, be sure to like and subscribe. Big Tom of the Big Tom's Van, over and out.